a very good evening and heartiest welcome to the Interhouse Spellathon competition. My name is Kuber and I will be your host for the evening. This is going to be a very exciting event for all of us as very soon we are going to delve deep into the world of spellings and enjoy some wonderful moments together. Very well said by Victor Hugo. To learn to read is to light a fire, every syllable that is spelled out is a spark. First and foremost, I would like to introduce our key people of the competition, our honorable judge and our very talented participants from all the four houses. From Gandhi House, we have 6th C. Siddhi Gupta, 7th B. Paridhi, 8th C. Navya Singhal. From Einstein, 6th C. Kaina Soni, 7th B. Riya Ghosh, 8th C. Vanya Jagga. From Columbus, 6th B. Ishan Goyal, 7th B. Anshika Singh, 8th C. Harleen. From Da Vinci, 6th C. Krishna Gupta, 7th B. Avichal Bhatt, 8th C. Arnab Malik. Well, time to know the rules of this competition. There are 3 rounds: spell well, jumble trumble and word well. Each word contains 2 marks. Students have to listen the words and clues properly and then answer it. Last but not the least, the judges' decisions are final, while constructive feedbacks are most welcome for improvements. We certainly hope that all of us accept the decision as a part of good sportsmanship. Regardless, the most important rule of them all is to relax and have fun. Get ready to do battle. So time to get learning and get spelling to try and bring glory to your house. Who will be the best speller? Bring on this spellathon. Round 1, spell well. So let's get going everyone. The first round is spell well. Let's go through the rules very quickly. Students have to spell the word correctly after listening it. Each word is of 2 marks. The words will not be passed. Each house will get 3 words to spell. Maximum 1 minute will be given for each word to spell. In this spell well round, 3 words would be given to house. It means each student will be given a chance to spell the given word correctly. You will get 2 minutes for each word to spell. The same word will be repeated twice by me. Please remember you cannot pass it to other house. So hold your breath. Here comes the first word to the participant of Gandhi House, Navya Singhal. Tenacious. Navya Singhal. Tenacious.
What? Can you repeat?
Tenacious.
I can't listen you that properly. Your voice is breaking in between.
Tenacious.
Can you give it to Paridhi? I can't listen you clearly, literally.
Beta, Navya, the word is tenacious. Tenacious. The word is tenacious. Hello? Navya? Navya? Are you getting me? The word is tenacious. Navya? Kindly answer me, beta.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, please. Nobody will answer. The answer will not be passed. Any other student from Gandhi House?
Yes, ma'am. Can I answer Paridhi?
Yes, Paridhi.
Ma'am, the spelling is Tenacious.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, the answer is
Next.
correct. Gandhi House is given 2 marks. The next word is for Ishan Goyal from Columbus House.
Yes.
Obnoxious.
What?
Obnoxious.
Obnoxious.
Obnoxious. Kuber, be clear in your voice. Obnoxious.
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 Yes.
OBNOCTIUS.
Wrong.
That's wrong. The next word
Next.
goes to Vanya Jagga of Einstein House. The word is ferocious.
No, beta. Ferocious. The word
Ferocious.
ferocious.
Ferocious. Vanya Jagga.
The spelling is FERICIOUS.
No, wrong.
No, that's wrong.
The spelling is
Next word goes to
F-E-R-O.
Avichal Bhatt from Davinsna.
Beta, Kuber, kindly tell the correct spelling also after if they will spell wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
The next word goes to Da Vinci House.
F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S. Ferocious. Yes, Kuber,
Okay,
continue.
ma'am. The next word goes to Avichal Bhatt from Da Vinci House. Eloquent.
Can
Avichal.
you
Eloquent.
repeat this?
Eloquent.
The word?
Eloquent.
Eloquent.
ELOQUINTE.
Wrong.
No, that's wrong. The correct spelling is ELOQUENT.
Sorry to interfere in between, ma'am. Just ask all the students to please put on their videos.
Yes, all of you, put on your videos. If you will not put your videos, then your marks will be deducted or your chance will be. Okay? All of you are requested to open your videos.
Yeah, that's
Okay? Yes, Kuber, continue.
The next word goes to Anshika Singh from Columbus House. Aggravate.
Aggravate.
Please tell again. I'm not able to.
Rimu ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Rimu ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Avichal, beta, sit properly. This video is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel of Mount Literacy School. I request you all, please sit properly. And videos must be turned on. You are not allowed to turn off your videos. Yes, Kuber, continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
The word is aggravate.
Aggravate. Anshika. Aggravate.
AKROVATE.
No,
Wrong.
that's wrong. The correct spelling is AGGRAVATE. The next word goes to Riya Ghosh from Einstein House. Pistachio.
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 Ma'am, can you just repeat it once again?
Yes, pistachio. Pistachio, beta.
Ma'am, pistachio.
Yeah, beta.
Ma'am,
Kindly.
PISTAVOU.
No, wrong.
No, that's wrong. The correct spelling is PISTAVOU. TACHIO. The next word goes to Da Vinci House. Krishna Gupta. Bewilderment.
Can you please repeat?
Bewilderment.
Bewilderment. Bewilderment. The word is bewilderment.
Ma'am, I was saying that only bewilderment.
Yes, yes, I know, Kuber, but they are not understanding. That's why I am clearing them.
Now it was
Bewilderment.
clear. Bewilderment.
Yes, Harleen.
Bewilderment.
Beta, your voice is cracking. Speak again.
Bewilderment.
No, that's wrong.
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am Arnav.
No, please. It is not a passing round.
Bewilderment. The next word goes to Siddhi Gupta from Gandhi House.
Yes.
Tenacious.
Can you please repeat?
You have asked tenacious, beta.
Ma'am, I couldn't answer that time.
No, please. No, please.
No, I just
The word is arduous. Arduous.
Ma'am, the word list you sent, there was tenacious.
Kuber, you have asked that word, beta.
Okay, ma'am, it is repeated, it means.
Arduous. The word is arduous.
Arduous. Ma'am, just a second. Audous.
Louder.
Audous.
No, wrong. Arduous hai beta. Arduous.
Can I tell Paridhi from Gandhi House?
No, please. The correct spelling is ARDUOUS. Arduous.
The correct spelling is ARDUOUS.
Yes, beta. Next.
The next word goes to Columbus House, Harleen. Remembrance. Remembrance.
Columbus House.
Ma'am, the spelling is REMEMBRENCE.
Again.
Ma'am, REMEMBRENCE.
Can you write on your screen, on page? Show it on your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Faster, beta. We don't have so much time. Who is answering?
Ma'am, Harleen.
Harleen, write down fast, beta. Okay. Is it correct? I am not getting it. Harleen,
ma'am,
open your
No,
video.
that's wrong.
This is wrong spelling.
Wrong. Okay.
Yeah, this is wrong.
Okay. Yes,
And
beta.
the correct spelling is REMEMBRANCE.
Yes, it's BRANC. Yeah, CE.
Okay. Continue. Continue.
The next word goes to Einstein House, Kaina Soni. Yacht.
Can you please repeat?
Yacht. Yacht.
YATCH.
No, beta.
No,
Wrong.
that's wrong. The correct spelling is YACHT. The next word goes to Gandhi House. Navya Singhal.
No, beta, you have asked Navya Singhal.
Ma'am, she could not answer, so Siddhi Gupta answers instead of that.
Okay.
Ma'am, should
Okay. Okay, Navya.
Yes, ma'am.
exaggerate.
Can you repeat, please?
Exaggerate.
Exaggerate. Okay. I understood. Wait a minute, please.
Put on your video.
Navya, please put on your video, otherwise your marks will be deducted.
Ma'am, my video
Please.
is on. Ma'am, can you listen me?
Yes, I am listening. Tell me. Tell
Okay,
me
ma'am.
answer.
E.
Yes.
You can listen me, right? Okay. EGG.
Ma'am, I can't hear the word. What she is saying.
Write down on a paper and show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Faster. Because time is running very fast, beta.
Let me exaggerate the problem.
Navya,
Ma'am, can I
anyone
answer
is helping you? Navya, anyone is helping you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast.
Ma'am, can I tell
I'm
Paridhi from Gandhi
asking my mother to give the register.
Okay.
House? Ma'am, can I tell Paridhi from Gandhi House?
No, please. Just check Kuber. I am not able to see her.
Ma'am, the video is very blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
I know.
not properly.
Kindly read it. Kindly read it. Avichal, open your video, please.
Ma'am, should I write it down on my screen in
Please tell me the spelling fast, otherwise I will deduct the marks.
ma'am? EGG.
Wrong. Wrong.
It's wrong. The correct spelling is EXAGGERATE.
Okay.
The last word of this round goes to Arnav Malik from Da Vinci House. Commemorate.
Commemorate. Commemorate.
Commemorate.
Can you repeat, please? I'm not able to hear you.
Beta,